In our flipbooks, we've created a number of frames, and we'd like to check and see how we're doing. So it's as simple as picking up your stack of cards and flipping through it. Looking for inconsistencies and checking for speed. If you see that the speed is too fast, one shape all of a sudden turns to the next without a smooth transition, you may want to add more frames. And by adding more frames, you'll need to draw more in-betweens. Stack your cards, your first and your subsequent frames, on a light table or a light source. Add a blank frame and interpolate between the two. This will continue for quite some time. Periodically, you can put the new frame in and check again.